Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to bind spiral binding. Okay, this is the paper. Just I am showing you. This is chart paper. I cut A4 size paper, and I'll show you now how to bind this paper in with the spiral binding. The ring I bought last time from the bazaar. The ring from the ring you can bind. This is spiral binding ring. Easily you can buy from the bazaar. You'll get it or market. And this paper I am showing you. This is the paper. Now I'll adjust from the machine. Have to size, have to adjust these edges. We have to make, okay, make hole first. After that we can bind spiral binding with this ring slowly inside the ring. Have to buy. Now I am going to make hole here, this corner. Now you see that paper have to put inside there. You have to put there first. Have to adjust. After that we have to put inside. Adjust now. Just inside. Put inside now. Now kiss this handle. Draw the handle. Now take out slowly. Count and put at least 3 sheets. Others very difficult to cut, make hole. It cannot full, cannot cut, able to cut. Okay, now at least 4 or 3 sheet only you can put at the same time. I am making hole now. After finishing I'll bind. I'll show you how to bind. Okay, this is making hole is going on now. Just try to finish fast, and I am now doing faster. Okay, bring nearby. Easy to make hole now. You can do fast. Listen. No. This is not difficult work. Very easy. Easy making. Oh, this is spoiled because I didn't put inside nicely properly. Because of that, could not. No, this is okay. Oh, okay. Already now finished making hole. Now joke nicely this paper so that we can put the hole nicely with the ring. It is very difficult to put inside. All have to equal this align. No? Others all will not go. Now put the ring inside and slowly roll. One hand you roll it, one hand you just sized hole you point it and can put like this. Slowly can move. Yeah, once you pin this and make hole go in position, it will go faster. Now see, going faster now. Just see. Yeah, now going nicely. So this is not a difficult job, very easy. Only making hole if to adjust the size. Otherwise very easy. Now I am supporting this hole to go proper way. That's why I am putting this needle side. And this sometimes paper go here and there. Hole will not come in position. So हम लोग भी घर में ऐसा बना सकते हैं अच्छा से बैठ बैठ के अपना नोटबुक व कुछ डायरी बुक you can make. No, buying in the bazaar also very expensive. This is actually 50 pages, 50 pages. So why should I buy from bazaar if I know how to make? This is easy. So within some without wasting our money at home only can make. At least this making charge they charge 50 to 60 rupees only. This making ring also costly because of that one. This charge if we make at home, this is no need to buy from the bazaar. Yeah, almost finished now. See, only 4 5 hole is there. Easy making, not very difficult. You can make for your children also if you know. Easy, just very not so difficult. So this is very good. We can help our children at home. I am
make
Kiran
this.
Pegu. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.